Reporting live from the crash site. As the victim.
It's dangerous out there.
It's dangerous out there. Little kid's got it. Oh, why can't you do that? Where you at? Trying to get to the track. Got the fog still. Did you get hurt?
I don't think so.
I saw you kind of gracefully, like you cased it and then it bounced you one time and then you kind of like landed it sideways and kind of just fell with it. No.
I wasn't ready for it.
It sounded good. Like I saw it, as soon as it bounced you on that hill, you like it kicked you sideways and you fell like that.
It was like going in slow motion. Like
Yeah.
I seen it, felt it, and then, okay, here we go.
You're not hurt though?
No.
Alright, cool. Alright, so we're here at Cole's track again. It's a lovely Saturday. We've already went through our safety meetings with Cole. Done got reprimanded. We're gonna respect our local track and our local track owner. We want to be friends with that. We got my bike out here.
And I'm going lots of places, but I ain't going broke, cause nothing comes before my money and business. That's all I know.
That's all I know. Don't care what you say about me. Don't care how you feel about me. Drag my name through the mud. Guess what? I'm about to kill these streets. Going places you will never see. Someone you will never be. Mama say get some rest. I might miss a check, so I never sleep. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty is all I know.
I got to do a whole write-up on it eventually, but I changed out my front and my rear suspension, and I want to kind of just feel what the bike feels like. Really just stay alive today. Yeah, but this bike feels amazing.
Does it?
Hell yeah. Like, if I see something up in front of me, I can like just, and it'll...
Just give it some throttle and lift.
No throttle, just like, ugh.
Oh, just use the suspension.
Yeah, like it's just like, ugh.
Get right.
Yeah.
Flow right over it.
Flow right over it. Hunter, what are you gonna try to do today? But
try not to die, start with.
Yeah.
But mostly just try to take it a little slower to start with and get comfortable with the stance and everything I need to be doing and working on my form basically.
Come with me as I take you to the rest of the riders.
Hey, go away.
So,
Don't come around here.
Matthew's got a full suspension setup that's new. What are your plans for today, Matthew?
I'm trying to clear a few more hills than I did last time.
Try to clear a few more
Just get more
tabletops?
comfortable. So I'm gonna try that today.
Later, when I looked up, he was gone.
We got Dustin. He's a really
He's a professional driver.
professional A-class here. It was hard trying to calculate his spring rate because like I'm used to doing a novice C-class, and for him I needed to do like A-class. So, what are you gonna do today?
Try not to get hurt.
Try not to get hurt. So it seems like everybody came out here today just trying not to get hurt and have a good time.
Gotta work Monday.
Gotta work Monday.
Gotta work.
That's about it.
Now you see me, now you
I
don't.
just felt good going over enough times. I'm like, well, if I just set the throttle, it should make it. The thing I keep doing is after I go into the first one, my hand keeps going off the throttle, and that really fucks me up.
Yeah.
If I stay in that throttle, straight over the next one.
How you feeling about clearing the big one?
I feel great. I can do it all day.
Do it all day?
All day long.
Dustin's tired.
I just let Opie jump that second time.
Whose bike is just laid down? What the fuck? He's just like, shit, get that man off the bike.
Get that man on the bike.
Matthew cleared the big jump in the back. Now he's feeling like he's gonna clear this triple. We're about to find out if it was a good idea or a bad idea. His what is it? His mental. He's feeling it right now. Disclaimer: obviously, don't die.
Yeah, bump the track. We'll take those.
Start back here. Come. There you go. Set yourself up for success. Second. Yeah, that's third.
Let's see if it shifts. It shifted yet.
Can't tell. Oh my God. What happened?
Finally got it.
Smooth like butter, boy. Look at him. Look at him. That's it. That's what's up. Stand up. Stand up. There you go. Alright, so funny story. Matthew's truck has had a problem with locking when you open the door. Like, it doesn't unlock whenever you put it in park. So if the doors are locked, they always stay locked, and then as you drive, the doors automatically lock. So the truck is naturally always trying to stay locked. Hey, sir, you can't leave your truck running with the windows up.
Why?
What are we gonna do? Got the truck looking here. Locked up, running.
Locked up tight.
Locked up tight. That one's looking good.
Yeah, anything strong,
It's done this several times now. And we was leaving the track, and as we was leaving the track, I was like, hey, you know, we got 3 trucks lifted up with dirt bikes on the back, let's take a picture. And then, so he got out of his truck, and as soon as he got out, he turned around and looked back, his door closed, he's locked out. So we're gonna go right here to Harbor Freight, it's like 2 miles away, see if we can't get some tools to break in his truck.